Is your blood pressure out of control? Are your minerals totally out of balance? Is your mood, craving, muscle movement, and general health totally out of control? Minerals affect the central nervous system, like the wiring in a house. The CNS, or central nervous system, sends signals from the brain to every part of the body. Would you like to know how to control it? If the answer is yes, stay tuned. As you can see, we start out with number 1, decreased blood volume, therefore decreased blood pressure. And then we go to number 2, the kidney. The kidney puts out renin. Renin is the switch that raises your blood pressure, but it does need some other things to do it. The liver puts out angiotensin, and when renin hits angiotensin, it turns it to angiotensin 1. In the lungs, it combines with the enzyme ACE, where it's turned to angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 results in vasoconstriction, which increases the blood pressure, and you can also get a signal from the adrenals creating aldosterone from the kidney that's sent to the kidney, which causes sodium reabsorption. Now, the other thing that plays along with this is the fact that your brain, through the thirst center, has you become thirsty and you take in more water. So where the salt goes, the water will follow. And from that case, more water, more blood volume, and you have a higher blood pressure. Now, you also have more absorption of water in the kidney. So it's not just drinking more water, the kidney has to absorb more water. And also you get from the brain, when you're stressed, when you have a stress event, your brain sends a signal to the kidney to put out renin as well, which again travels through the circuit and results in a high vasoconstriction mainly, which results in a higher blood pressure. Now the last one, mineral deficiency, is about what happens to your body because of a constriction in the kidney. And so when you have a constricted kidney, which is cause for decreased blood volume and decreased blood pressure, you will not be taking in the salt and sodium or the other minerals. They're not going to be reabsorbed like they should be. So this will start to affect your mineral balance, the amounts and ratios. Also, another part, of course, to mineral deficiency is whether you take in minerals in your food in the first place, whether you have strong enough stomach acid to absorb them. All these things go together to create blood pressure.